Jpeg conversion. Making shapes like this is super easy on the Techserv CNC system. Just a case of defining your shape, sticking the dimensions, and away you go. But if you want to do something a bit more artistic, such as this, then it can be trickier. We have a new feature called Jpeg import, which allows you to do a drawing in Paint or Inkscape or something of that nature. First thing we need to do is get some clip art. So I've searched for Christmas tree silhouette. Found this one, looks rather nice. So I shall make a copy of this as a JPEG file. I've now opened the file in Paint and added the white text using the text tool up here and selected the colour white. I've then put some little bridges in just by drawing with a pencil with a black line to put the bridges in to stop the centre of the letters falling out. After that, then save that as a JPEG again. Next, on Techserv CNC, we click on the Scan and Nest button, which takes us to our extra features. Select Read JPEG, and that will bring you to this screen where you can locate your artwork, as we call it, and press Select to proceed. This will import your JPEG file, and we can see a preview of it here. We can adjust the threshold. If it's something that's got a lot of grayscale stuff in it, then you can adjust the threshold to minimize to remove the gray. Because this is black and white, it doesn't matter too much. So we press Select, take us onto the next screen. It will then bring this in and turn it into a silhouette, into a cut program. Define a scale, so currently it's just over 1 meter tall, which is a bit big. We'll bring it down to 0.4, scale of 0.4, so that gives it 451 millimeter tall. Select Done. If there's some stuff there we want to remove, we can scroll through with these buttons and remove items. So we press Done, and now we can simplify. This is made out of lots of tiny little lines, so what this program is doing is removing lots of these lines. You can see it's removed 68% of the stuff. As we increase the effectiveness of the simplify, we can see this, we start to lose the shape. So there's an optimum setting for this, so we'll leave it at 68% there, and press Done. Now we can set the material type and thickness. So we've got up here 1 millimeter thick material. We're going to cut it at 30 amps, because it's really quite thin, and press Next. Onto the run screen, choose our origin, position it on the plate, and press Start. And we're going to test run at the moment, but this would proceed through the cut program, which we'll do live.